So guys, let's take a look at GBPJPY for the day. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, guys. Please and please do not forget to subscribe, like, share. Make sure you also make your comments. I'll love to watch out for it. And now follow me on Telegram channel if you have not yet followed me. The link to my Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So just go to the comment section. You'll see the link to my Telegram channel. Follow me on Telegram. I'll be putting out tons of information, a lot of updates, and also some signals for you to actually take, trade if in case you're interested. So follow me on Telegram. With what I'm seeing on this GBPJPY, I'm still expecting one more movement downward on this GBPJPY. Probably we should see that movement to come tap our 20 period simple moving average. Maybe before then, price can just break this low or go bullish. Anyway, we will determine the price for that later. But with what I'm seeing right now on this GBP JPY, I'm still expecting one more movement downward. I think that movement should give me about 100 pips. Let's see if we can make about 100 to 120 pips on GBP JPY. So let me see if this will serve as a correction, a correction for one more drop on GBP JPY. So this is basically what I'm expecting and what I'm speculating for on GBP JPY. So you can see there was kind of a reaction here. So once price came in, we had a double bottom as we may see, double top as you may see it, then a drop. Let me see if this will be a correction for one more drop. By the way, we'll be expecting increase in bank rates on GBP today. So there's going to be a lot of volatility on our GBP pairs. So be very, very careful when trading about GBP pairs. Once there's an increase in bank rates, there will be a decision, some monetary policy statement and every other thing. Maybe they will, probably, maybe there will be a time they will increase interest rate again, or they'll start cutting down on it. Every time this information will be posted, and that information is definitely going to affect the movement on GBP today. So be very, very careful on trading GBP, by the way. So I rather advise you to trade other JPY pairs. And if you want to go ahead and trade GBP to JPY, then still no problem. So do not forget to follow me on Telegram. The link to my Telegram channel is in the comment section.